Here, even dawn begins with a warning call. Silent steps carry the forest's most feared hunter. Below the surface, danger waits with patience. Above the world, a ruler observes every shift below. In the half-darkness, perfection stalks quietly. Small size hides a strength born from danger itself.
Speed becomes survival in river kingdoms.
In stillness hides the deadliest strike. Every movement here answers an unseen threat. When voices rise, the jungle listens and obeys. Even the water holds lightning beneath its surface. In the undergrowth, shadows come alive. Survival begins the moment instinct speaks. Even the calmest giants run when the forest warns them. One bite turns the calm air into sudden peril. Where water thickens, hunger gathers. The Amazon watches over itself through eyes of silent predators.